Unlocking Visualization Step-by-Step Tutorial. Visualizing effectively can be a powerful tool for achieving goals, reducing stress, and enhancing creativity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started with visualization. Step 1. Define your objective. Clarify your goal. Determine what you want to achieve through visualization. It could be a specific outcome, a feeling, or a state of mind. Step 2. Use a quiet space. Find a peaceful environment. Select a quiet place where you can relax without distractions. This could be a comfortable chair, a quiet room, or even outdoors in a peaceful setting. Step 3. Relax your mind and body. Practice deep breathing. Take deep breaths to calm your mind and relax your body. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold for a few seconds and exhale through your mouth. Repeat this several times until you feel relaxed. Step 4. Create a detailed mental image. Use all your senses. Visualize your goal as vividly as possible. Imagine how it looks, sounds, smells, tastes, and feels. Engage all your senses to make the experience more realistic. Step 5. Focus on emotions and details. Feel the emotions. Experience the emotions associated with achieving your goal, whether it is joy, satisfaction, or relief. Immerse yourself in those feelings. Pay attention to details. Include specific details in your visualization. For example, if your goal is a successful presentation, visualize the audience reactions, the applause, and the sense of accomplishment. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Stay positive and confident. Maintain optimism. Visualize with a positive mindset, focusing on success and achievement rather than potential obstacles. Boost confidence. Imagine yourself confidently overcoming challenges and achieving your desired outcome. Step 7. Visualize regularly. Establish a routine. Make visualization a regular practice. Set aside dedicated time each day to visualize your goals. Stay consistent. The more you practice visualization, the more effective it becomes. Consistency is key to seeing long-term benefits. Step 8. End with gratitude and affirmation. Express gratitude. After completing your visualization, take a moment to feel grateful for the opportunity to pursue your goals. Affirm your goals. Affirm your belief in achieving your goals. Use positive affirmation to reinforce your visualization experience. Step 9. Take action. Follow through. Visualization is a powerful tool, but it should be complemented by action. Take practical steps toward your goals based on the insights gained from your visualizations. Tips for effective visualization. Be patient. Results may not be immediate. Stay patient and persistent with your practice. Be specific. The more detailed your visualization, the more powerful it can be. Use visual aids. Consider using pictures, vision boards, or written descriptions to enhance your visualization sessions. Visualization can be tailored to various goals, whether personal, professional, or creative. The key is to practice regularly, maintain a positive mindset, and integrate your visualization with actionable steps toward achieving your aspirations. Imagine this. The screen fades to a gentle, glowing sunset backdrop, casting a warm hue over the scene. Soft music begins to play, filling the air with a sense of tranquility and hope. As the music swells gently, the following words appear on the screen. Every ending is a new beginning. Embrace the magic within you and let it light your path. Remember, life is a journey filled with endless possibilities. Keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep spreading your light.